This is the Ruko F11PRO 2. It's a foldable camera drone that promises professional level performance that's accessible from beginners to experienced drone enthusiasts. Real quick, I want to thank Ruko for sending this out to me to check out and give my thoughts. They also sent me this, where's it at? This 65-watt charger that we'll be checking out later on. Before I head out and take this out for some flights, let's check out the specs on the F11PRO 2. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. The Ruko F11PRO 2 weighs 357 grams, so if you're in the US, you'll need to register it with the FAA. The Ruko F11PRO 2 is FAA compliant and has a built-in remote ID module. It's foldable to give it a compact design to fit easily into backpacks or even small bags. Despite its lightweight build, this drone can deliver dependable performance across a variety of settings, from mountain ridges to windswept coastlines. I don't have either of that where I live, so you get to watch this instead. It uses a Sony camera sensor that can capture 6K images and 4K videos up to 30 frames per second. While it doesn't quite reach the level of professional-grade 4K cinematic drones, it still delivers on an impressive performance. It has a 3-axis brushless gimbal to provide stable and smooth footage, and offers level 5 wind resistance. These combined gives it an ultra-stable, vibration-free footage even in challenging conditions. It comes with two 3200 mAh batteries, each delivering an impressive flight time of up to 35 minutes on a single charge. Honestly, that flight time will vary depending on the conditions. I was getting about 28 minutes per battery, which is still pretty good. What I really like about these batteries is that they each have a USB-C on them, so you can charge them directly without the need of a charging dock or anything else. The drone is equipped with advanced digital image transmission technology that allows it to deliver real-time, high-def video feeds as far as 3 kilometers away. I wasn't able to test this myself due to the flight restrictions where I live, but I was able to get a good distance away without any connection issues. The F11PRO 2 offers intelligent GPS flight modes including Follow Me, Orbit Flight, Cruise Control, and Waypoint Planning. If you've flown a drone before, you'll be able to pick this up and get going. However, if you're new to drones, the F11PRO 2 offers a bunch of features that make it beginner friendly. Once again, because of where I live, I wasn't able to test this, but the drone offers a night mode to get clear evening shots with the help of its front LED lighting. It uses optical flow positioning to ensure stability so you can do things like a controlled indoor flight. I have crashed way too many drones in the open field to even want to attempt this, but let me know how it works out for you if you try it out. Alright, enough of that. Let's take this out and test how it flies. Get the cable out. This is my very first time taking this out, so hopefully this goes well. Let's turn you on. Wish it wasn't so loud. Alright, let's do a compass calibration first since it's my first time flying it. Pick up the aircraft 1 meter from the ground. Rotate. What's 1 meter? Is this 1 meter? Pick up the aircraft at distance 1 meter from the ground vertically. So vertically. Place it on level ground. Well, that's level-ish. Level-ish ground. Tap calibrate to icon to calibrate gyroscope. Oh man, well, that's the best I can do right now. And yeah, I think that's it, right? Let's go to video mode. All right, there you go. Looks good, pretty stable. It's not really windy at all today. Flies pretty well. If I let go, it stops, controls. Turn left. Not really much delay on it. I don't know how to actually scientifically do that, but from what I can tell, not much of a delay with the sticks. So like when I push it, it moves. Let's try the return to home feature. I just press it once. All right, hit return to home on the controller. Let me step away from the launch pad just in case it doesn't land on it. Well, let's close enough. All right, so I know it can do a couple functions, but how do I get to them though? There you go, GPS follow, fly around, route planning. I think it's like waypoints, split screen VR, don't have anything to do that. Night mode, lens angle, zoom. All right, what do we got here? Zoom. Nope. So 5 times zoom. How does that look? On my controller, it looks not the best. Can I bring that higher just so you can... Do you see it actually on the camera? I don't remember if it was this drone video I was watching, but when you did the zoom, it was only in the controller, but not the actual camera itself. So is that doing it in camera? Or what's filter? Oh, so you can change how it looks. Oh, nope. Let's go back to natural for now. It's cool, there's a lot of different sets though. Retro, lost time. It would be hard to fly. Oh, that'd be horrible to fly in. What mode is that? Passion, nope. Let's just stick to natural. Fly around. What is fly around? Let me get away from these trees. Nope. All right, so I'm actually scared to do the fly around here because it doesn't have any sensors. And last time I tried to do one of those orbit fly around type shots, I crashed into that tree over there. Footage here, and I broke the last drone I was testing, so I'm a little scared to try out fly around in this area. Maybe if I get to a more open area, I'll try it again. But it does have waypoints, which is interesting on a beginner drone. But GPS follow, I guess we can try that. Let's try GPS follow and try some photos with this thing. Follow me, ready? All right, there you go. It's following me now. The battery life of this is pretty good. I've been flying it for, I don't know how long I've been flying it now. And still at 64% on the drone. And then if I put the controller down, it should stop following me, which it does. I can pretty much go completely under the drone. Let's try running with it, see how well it follows me. Whew. All right, pretty good, pretty good. How's it going? Yeah, trying to take advantage of the nice days before it starts to get cold again out here. Yeah. Or should we just start slowly walking away? Yes. We'll get some food in a little bit. All right. Now let's try taking some photos. I guess that's it. Like, what else do you need the drone to do as a beginner than to just fly, take nice photos and videos, and be reliable, right? So I'm not too into drones, not because I don't like them. I think you can get some amazing footage with them. It's the fact that because of where I live, I can't really fly unless I drive hours away. And even when I'm traveling, there are so many more restrictions nowadays that it's almost a waste of space to pack a drone in my bag. I actually brought this drone with me to Seoul last month and it never even got to breathe any of the air over there. By the way, if anyone's heading to Seoul, they do have a drone park over there where you can fly. It's called Hangang Drone Park. I actually went there a few years ago when I was visiting Seoul. Just know that they close pretty early. But yeah, just a quick tip for anyone thinking of bringing a drone over there. When I actually do get a chance to get a drone up in the air, it's really fun. But why would I spend a lot of money on something I can only use a couple times a year? I've actually bought a few drones, but I'm not good with money. If you're someone who really wants to try flying drones or wants to step up from their mini sub 250 gram drones and not have to rob a bank, I think the F11PRO 2 is the way to go. It comes with everything you need. Actually, it doesn't come with ND filters. It comes with almost everything you need. Actually, you don't really need ND filters to fly. Here's what comes in the box. Here's the packaging. Let's get everything out. Everything is packed into this carrying case. Let's open it up. Here's a controller overlay guide, a couple of charging cables, extra control sticks and screws, cables to connect your phone to the controller, extra props and a screwdriver. It comes with 2 batteries. The batteries have USB-C ports on them to charge. Here's the controller. Sticks are held in the bottom. This part comes up to hold your phone in. And here's that overlay that describes what each button does. Finally, the drone itself. The arms fold out. Gimbal cover is already on there. Let's put a battery in. The power button is on the battery itself. That's everything. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot about that 65 watt wall charger that they gave me. So this is their 65 watt USB-C GAN charger. It has 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A port, so you can charge multiple devices at the same time. This is actually perfect for the F11PRO 2 because this charger allows you to charge the controller and 2 batteries at the same time. It has foldable prongs, so it's easy to toss into any bag. And its slim design means it doesn't take up as much space as larger chargers do. The max output of this charger is 65 watts, but you will get lower output when you have multiple devices plugged in. So if you're trying to charge something like your MacBook that requires more power, you'll want to plug that in by itself. You know what? It's a plug. It does what you expect it to do. Alright, as for things that I don't like about this drone, that connection beeping when you get it started is loud. You're not going to be able to get this up in the air without drawing some attention to yourself. Maybe there's an option to lower that volume, but if there is, I haven't found it yet. Next, I'm glad it comes with a gimbal cover, but I wish it came with a propeller holder too. It's also nice that it comes in a carrying case, but I don't always want to bring this out with me when I go out. I just want to grab the drone and controller, throw it in my bag, and head out. It's a simple fix because I can just grab like an elastic band or something similar, but this kit comes with everything except for a way to hold the propellers. It's the simple things like this that make the experiences better. And finally, there's no ND filters. It's not even an option to pick up as an accessory. Maybe there are third-party ND filters out there, but I haven't found them yet. Alright, to sum everything up, the Ruko F11PRO 2 is ideal for aspiring drone photographers, videographers looking to add dynamic perspectives to their project, or simply anyone who wants to just get out and explore the skies and at a very wallet-friendly price. By the way, I wish products had easier names to remember and didn't sound like I was trying to give out a military call sign. See ya.